The first thing you need to do is make a slip knot and then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you slip stitch into the first stitch, right? And then you chain 3. You make 3 chains, which is going to serve as your first double crochet. So then you start inserting double crochets into that hole that has been created, right? So this is the 3rd double crochet, which is going to serve as one cluster. You chain 1, insert and make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and then you chain 1, and then you insert again, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and the 3rd double crochet, and then you chain 1. That is another cluster, and then you insert again, 2 double crochet, and then the 3rd double crochet, right? And now we've made about 3 clusters, right? Now you chain 1 and insert into the first initial 3 chains that we made, which gives you now a square. So now we're going to change our yarn. So we're going to make a slip knot with the other color, which is white, and then you slip stitch it into the chain 1 that you made, and then you chain up 3, right? I like to use this method so that I would not have to be fastening off my yarn and reattaching. So now after I chained 3, I inserted 2 double crochets, which has given me 1 cluster, and then I move ahead to do 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, just the way we increase our granny squares. This is my 3rd double crochet, and then I chain 1 and insert another double crochet into it, right? So this is the only thing we're going to do at the edge. The edges are going to have clusters of double crochet, like 2 clusters of 3 double crochet, right? So just like I'm doing here right now, chain 1, then insert another 3 double crochet. So it's 3 double crochet, chain 1, then insert another set of 3 double crochet, right? Those are the ones that would be at the edge. And because we're working only at the edges right now, that is why we're doing 3 double crochet, chain 1, and 3 double crochet, right? So yeah, this is what we're going to do at the edges. You chain 1, then we insert the first double crochet, the 2nd double crochet, and the 3rd double crochet, right? And then since we've inserted 1 cluster of 3 double crochet initially, we're going to just insert 3 more double crochets, chain 1, and then slip stitch into the 3 chains that we made initially, right? So now we are done with our white yarn. We're going to swap to our brown. So the best way is just to pick up the brown you left and just chain up 3, insert 2 more double crochets, then continue the row by inserting 3 double crochets consecutively. For anyone that is not at the edge, you just insert 3 double crochet. But if you are working at the edge, which is like the 4 corners, you have to insert 3 double crochet, chain 1, and 3 double crochet, just like we're doing right now, right? And then the next one is just like a follow-up stitch. So you just have to do only 3 double crochet into the sides that are not at the edges, right? So as you can see, we are inserting 3 more double crochet into this hole. I'm sorry, I don't know if that sounded weird, but yeah. And then we insert 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, like that, right? So till we are done with this color, right? So like I said, 3 double crochets at the sides that are in between, and 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochets at the edges, right? And as you can see, I didn't fasten off my white yarn because I don't want to reattach, attach, right? So I just let it down, and then when it's time, I just pick it up, and it would not really be visible because that is going to be the back where the yarn is going to follow through, right? So yeah, I couldn't really care much about that. So yeah, to complete this brown is going to be 3 double crochets into that space, and then chain 1, then slip stitch into the beginning chains, right? Then we let that color down, and then we chain 3 with our whites, and then we continue same old roster, 3 double crochet, and then we'll complete that cluster at the end, right? So you continue 3 double crochet into the middle clusters, just 3 double crochet. Then we know the drill. For the edges, we're just going to add 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. Yeah, so yeah, I think at this point, like, the rodeo is like simple, right? So just follow this pattern and you find yourself building up your squares pretty nicely. The pattern is quite simple, like I've repeated countless times. 3 double crochet in the middle clusters, and then at the edges 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, just like we're about to do at this edge, right? So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah. So at this point, I'm making about 5 rows, right, to complete the square, the size of the square that I want, right? And as you can see, our square just keeps getting wider and wider, right? And as you can see, if you followed like the pattern I mentioned, you just see that our square naturally will just grow bigger and bigger, right? But if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment and I'll definitely clarify, right? So yeah, this is how many rows I'm making, right? Just 5 rows, and complete it with the brown, and then I'm satisfied with the number of squares, right? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel, and we hope to get better with our tutorials. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Happy crocheting.
you.